Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Skoda Octavia. Now this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's a half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.4 litre petrol engine that gives you 150 horsepower, has a 6-speed manual gearbox, and it's done under 37,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please visit us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.